At Collier Miller, every machine begins with an idea. And our job is to bring that idea to life. My name is Fred. I'm a third-year apprentice working in the drafting and design department. I've also been given the opportunity to study mechanical engineering through online uni. I'm fortunate enough to learn from some of the best in the manufacturing industry through problem solving as a team. With the help of technology, we're shaping the future of agriculture, helping our customers reach their potential. Here at Collier & Miller, we turn ideas into reality.